Take a look at the stick figure on your screen. If you are trying to build a career right now, you likely feel the same pressure. Experts are constantly shouting that you need a dozen new skills to stay relevant. They say you need to master coding, figure out AI, study marketing funnels, and learn the latest algorithms. The difficulty is that technology is swirling so fast that the future you are preparing for often disappears before you finish your first course. It feels like trying to build a house while the ground is constantly shifting underneath you. You can let go of that overwhelm. You do not need 15 skills or even 5. Instead, focus your energy on 3 specific areas that work together. When you combine these 3 skill sets, they create a protective barrier for your career. Think of it as building a future-proof fortress for your livelihood. In a world where artificial intelligence is taking over repetitive tasks, these 3 areas provide a unique advantage. Stacking them together increases your value because it moves you away from work computers can do and toward roles that require human judgment. We start with the outer defense of your fortress. This is the human moat, and it consists of charisma, leadership, and good taste. It might seem backward to focus on human traits when everyone is talking about software. However, artificial intelligence can only process data. It lacks the ability to understand human emotion or build the kind of trust that keeps a business running. Consider the skill of good taste. In business, taste is the ability to recognize when a product or a design feels right before any data is available to prove it. It is the judgment required to create something that feels premium rather than cheap. Charisma and leadership follow the same logic. These are not about being the loudest person in the room. Charisma is the ability to speak with enough clarity that others feel understood. Leadership is the willingness to guide a team through moments of certainty. As technology gets cheaper, we will see an endless supply of identical results that lack depth. You can see this on the left side of your screen. Humans, however, remain the only ones capable of creating a meaningful experience that customers actually value. Machines will always win the race for speed, but a human moat protects your baseline value because people still look for connection and certainty from other people. Once your moat is in place, you need power. This second stack is the leverage engine built on AI literacy and growth thinking. AI literacy is simply the ability to direct these new tools to handle the heavy lifting. You do not need to be a software engineer to benefit. You just need to know how to use the software to complete tasks that used to take hours. This creates leverage. In the past, you might have traded an hour of work for an hour of pay. Today, you can build a system once, like an automated workflow, and let it work for you thousands of times over. This works best when you apply growth thinking. This is the habit of finding places where a process is slow or confusing and removing that friction. Small daily improvements in a system lead to significant compounding over time. When you combine your human judgment with this engine, you change your relationship with time. You stop being a worker who completes manual tasks and become an engineer who designs outcomes. The final stack is the monetization. This relies on distribution and high-value sales to connect your work to the marketplace. Even the most impressive skill is worth very little if no one knows you have it. To succeed, you have to control the path that leads a customer to your work. This path is called distribution. It is the consistent habit of sharing your ideas and your value in public so that people have the opportunity to find you. High-value sales is the second half of this bridge. Selling is the act of providing clarity. You are helping a customer move from a state of confusion to a state of confidence about their decision. This is vital when the stakes are high. When a client makes a significant investment, they are looking for trust. Being the person who can communicate that certainty is an incredibly rare and well-compensated skill. This bridge closes the loop. It ensures that your human judgment and your automated systems actually translate into income and new opportunities. There is one final concept that brings all of this together. We represent it here as the flag on top of your fortress, the personal brand. A personal brand serves as a public record of your thinking. It provides proof that you understand specific problems and know how to build solutions. When you share your skills publicly, you create gravity. You no longer spend all your time chasing clients. Instead, opportunities come to you. You can start this transition in 90 days. Dedicate 30 days to practicing clear communication. Spend the next 30 learning to use one automation tool. Use the final 30 to share one insight every day on a platform of your choice. You do not need to wait for a job offer or a degree to begin. You can start moving from being a consumer to a builder today by taking one small public action. The future does not belong to those who try to learn everything at once. It belongs to those who align human judgment, technological leverage, and distribution. In the modern economy, multiplication beats addition every time.